Are you tired working 9 to 5 at a restaurant or going to a warehouse or going to a factory and then getting a lunch break or not getting a lunch break? Well, I got a solution for you guys. And if you like to drive, this is the perfect place for this. I'm going to talk about Hyrecar. Want to know more? Let's go.
How can I lose when we the who's? Still running around with more. Shit ready, packed to go, yeah. People probably think I show up.
So, why haven't you left your 9 to 5 job? Why haven't you used your car to start lifting Uber? Let me guess. You don't want to put miles on the car. You don't want to be responsible for the oil changes. You don't want to waste you don't want to use your car for something not beneficial to you. Well, all of those are valuable points. But what if I told you that there is a way that I can solve all those problems for you guys? Or maybe you have a car that's just laying around and you guys are just like, you know what? What am I going to do with the car that I don't even use at the moment? Well, if you guys know, this video is about Hyrecar. Right there. There you go. That is it right there. All right. So you guys could either do this on a computer or you guys could download the app off your phone. It works better on the iOS than the Android. Now that I mentioned that, I think that you guys need to understand what Hyrecar is about. So what Hyrecar is, it's a rental car service. What Hyrecar does is that they allow you to rent the car for how many days and, personal or for to work. They allow you to drive the car as long as you're paying for your whatever days you're going to be using it for. Okay. Now that that's out of the way, let me get more into detail. All right, so rental car gives you the opportunity to work for any services you want. You could do Grubhub, Uber Eats, Uber, DoorDash, whatever it is, you can do it. All right, that's one thing that I love about Hyrecar. They accept you to work anywhere. Okay. Another thing that they like about this is that you can work. You know what I'm saying? You can work your own schedule. You don't have to have a set schedule in place. You know what I'm saying? You'll be making money doing Lyft regardless. When I was doing this, I was personally doing this about 6 months ago. I had rented a car out and I used it for like about a good 3 months and then I ended up getting my own. But I was making so much money.
Here comes the money. Money, 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 money.
That I wasn't feeling how much I was paying for it. You know what I'm saying? So that's one thing that I just tell you guys. I think it's a good thing that you guys are going to be doing this. Now, for those that are owners of a car, you guys just have it laying around. Well, what Hyrecar will do is you would put your car on the website, and then on the website, what you would do is somebody would go to you and ask you if they can use the car for how many miles you allow them to. You could put whatever your decision is, you'll speak to them directly. So I'm going to show you all the steps and let's get right into it. All right, welcome to the desktop version. Yep, this is my desktop. All right, so now let's head over to the website right now, guys. All right, so here we are. This is the website to Hyrecar. As you guys could read, it says rent a car for rideshare and delivery services. Earn on your terms. All right, so what we're going to do now is just scroll down here. As you guys could see, there is a lot of people rating Hyrecar, so a lot of people recommend it. Here are some things that I want to go over with you guys. So it says, choose how long you want to rent for and extend your rental time. It says drive with any gig. Pretty much, also here's the thing for the owners. If you're owner of a car and you want to rent out the car, this is where you would go. You will click right here where it says list a car. And once you click on it, it'll take you to the sign up. And basically what you're going to do is just continue to sign up normally. But here, I'm going to show you guys how to sign up as renting a car. So what you would do is you would scroll down. And if you're an owner, you would just head over to owner and then sign up. But since you're a driver, what you're going to do is you could do it two ways. You could either enter your email, your password, your first name, your last name, all the information you need, and then click on where it says sign up as driver. And then also make sure you click on that box as well, because without clicking on the box, it won't complete it. Or You could sign up with either Apple, Facebook, or Google. Since I already have one of those, I'm not gonna do that right now. So let me show you guys how to pretty much what it's gonna look like once you guys sign in and everything. So I just clicked on Google. All right, now we're just gonna wait for it to load. All right, so here's what the main page is gonna look like. Now the main page is basically where you're gonna enter your location. You see a little profile thing over there. You see the messages, the owner dashboard, my reservations, how it works. You could click on any of those when you're actually in the website. So just hit on current locations and it'll show you all the cars closest to you. Since I'm in the Long Island area, this is what it's showing you. So you just scroll down and pretty much, as you can see, your price per daily, you could go from $20 to $70. $20 is a little drag, but you know how they are. So then you go down, you scroll pretty much, and you just scroll down, take your time, you know what I'm saying? Like, as you can see, all these cars are really nice, and you get to just scroll down, choose whatever you really feel comfortable with, whatever your price range is. Now, mind you, don't be afraid of the price range. You don't want to go anything crazy unless you really do got it. I go something cheap, you know. Let's say, like, I go with this one, Toyota Camry. As you can see, they have 1,000 miles a day. That's perfect. That's what I'm looking for. So we'll just scroll down over here. As you can see where it says over here, when would you like to start? You would go in here, click on that little calendar section, and then you would enter the days that you want to work. So for example, from the 13th all the way to whenever, you enter how many days. And then right here at the bottom, you notice that the more days that I enter, it changes price. Well, that's what you're going to be paying. So you're going to be paying for that, but then they'll give you everything that you guys need. Your insurance, everything, all right? So you don't even have to worry about that. Let me show you how you guys are going to message the owner. So this way you guys get to communicate. So what you're going to do is you're going to head over here to where it says message owner. All right? Once you click on that, a little box will show up. That little box right there will allow you guys to communicate with the owner, basically stating what terms and conditions you're looking for and if they accept them. And if they don't accept them, move on to the next one. I always recommend that you guys don't linger too much because you're trying to make money as fast as possible. So just move on to the next person. All right? Remember, you're here to use their car. So some owners are a little strict about that. So just make sure that, you know, you talk to them about everything and all the terms that they agree with you, okay? All right, so that is pretty much how you guys are going to sign up for Hyrecar. If you guys are tired of your 9 to 5 and just want to start driving and making some more income and not having to pay taxes, here you go, guys. This is your answer. And if you guys have any type of trouble or you guys need any type of help getting started, make sure you guys look for that link in the description below, so that way you guys can communicate with me and just send me a DM or whatever like that. All right, so for those that stayed all the way to the end, remember I told you guys that I had a little surprise for you. Here we are. All right, guys, so what I wanted to show you guys at the end of this video is for a lot of drivers that don't know about this, but there are things that Hyrecar do for you that you pretty much can earn some money. For example, new drivers, first rental, rent 3 days, you get $75, 7 days gets $25, 14 gets $25, and so on and so on. The more days that you rent the car, the more benefits you get. And the best thing about it, some of these actually continuously continue to work. As you can see, the 60 to 90 days, every 30 days you get $75, 120 to 360 days you get $100 back. So it's very beneficial for you guys. Not a lot of people talk about this, so make sure you guys take full benefits. In order for you guys to get this, you guys have to either call that number that you guys see right there, that 1-800 number, or in the app, you're actually going to just message them and let them know that you're looking for your rewards program. Sometimes it's a little annoying, but hey, money's money, right? So thank you so much, guys. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe, hit that thumbs up, and hit that bell for notifications. If you guys enjoy videos like this, I will continue to make some more. Thank you for joining Platinum Solutions, where we solve everyday problems. Peace.